guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest crochet food, vegetable and burgers are like different nuts and snacks. Creating crochet food items like vegetable and snacks burger can be a fun and creative project. We'll need various yarn, colors and crochet hooks to get start. Find crochet pattern or a beautiful stylish review online that match the different shapes of food and vegetables, snacks, cheese, slice. You want to make them follow the instruction to create each item and using different stitches technique to achieve the different texture and